Most breath work tells you to do more. Breathe deeper, hold for longer, put it in a box. This is not the way I teach breath work. When you come for a breathwork session, what I'm mainly asking you to do is do less. So here's a really simple exercise. It's called 3-4-5 breathwork, and it all starts with this idea of something that really makes you smile. We're looking to bring back a bit of a spark in your eyes. It could be a joke, it could be something funny you're not supposed to laugh at. And then when you're ready, you're going to allow a breath to come in through your nose for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a really simple way to reduce stress. That longer out breath is a way of you just letting go. And the crucial thing here is that we're not holding the breath. We are simply pausing for that 4 beats. And in that time, you're going to just notice what's going on. It might be noticing the sounds in the room, noticing your heartbeat, and remembering that this is all really about your attitude. You're getting out of the way and allowing the breath to work without interruption.